Samantha, and we're going to be making an Island Margarita. The Island Margarita is great for a day by the pool while you're on vacation, or just to enjoy any other time during your beach vacation. It's a pretty simple drink. You're going to use a few ingredients, whether you're having it at the pool or you're going to be making it at home by yourself. It isn't too complicated, which is great. So you're going to be using a coconut rum. You can really use any brand. It's really your own preference. We use Cruzan or Malibu. You use a tequila. You don't need to use a very fancy brand just because you'll be using other ingredients to mix it. It's going to taste great whether it's a house brand or a premium brand. You're going to be using a few different mixers to mix the drink. You can use a margarita mix that's already put together, or you can make your own, which we like to do to make it just kind of to your taste. So you're going to need sour triple sec lime juice, and then you're going to mix it with some pineapple juice to give it that island flair, and then you're going to finish it off with some blue curacao. The coconut rum is one of the liquors you'll use. You'll need about a half shot of that. And then you're also going to do a tequila and about a half shot of that. While you're at home, maybe you can be a little more liberal with it. Who knows? And then we're going to do the mixers. So the first thing I'm going to do is basically make my own margarita mix before I add the pineapple juice and the blue curacao to make it that pretty blue, to make it that island margarita. So you need just a half shot of lime juice, even less of the triple sec. Boop. And then you're also going to put some sour in. So I'm going to step over here and put the sour in that's on our gun. And that's probably going to be about 2 ounces. The way I work with it is every ounce is a second pour. So 1 1,000, 2 1,000 is going to be your 2 ounces. That's how you know you've got the right pour in there. Then you're going to do your pineapple juice. About another 2 ounces of that. And then your last ingredient is going to be the blue curacao. So basically you're just going to pour it till you think it's going to mix up pretty blue. That's what we want. Alright. So now I've got all your ingredients in. You're going to go ahead and throw your rocks glass in. Make sure it fits. You don't want any spilling on you. Then you're going to give it a nice shake. Alright, so now you're ready to pour your finished product in your glass and enjoy it. If you want to make it extra pretty, we're going to garnish it with an orange, because of course it's an Island Margarita, and a maraschino cherry. And voila, you've got yourself an Island Margarita ready to enjoy.